Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set any photo as your wallpaper on Android. Let us know in the comments if this video was helpful. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Gallery app on your Android device and find the photo you want to use as your wallpaper. Once you've found it, tap on the photo to open it. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, select Set as Wallpaper. You'll see different options such as Home Screen, Lock Screen, or Home and Lock Screen. Choose the one you prefer. You can preview how it will look and even adjust the photo's position or size if needed. Once you're happy with the result, tap Done or Set Wallpaper in the top right corner. And that's it! Now you know how to set any photo as your wallpaper on Android.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.